In this lesson, we will learn how to create a simple repeating section, just a basic, no data being entered, nothing being saved or edited. Just the first step in the concept of repeating section. So first, the base of the repeating section is the collection. So app on start will create a very simple collection. So we'll do a clear collect collection users, then the fields, in curly bracket the fields. So ID colon single quote, first name single quotes, last name, then again quotes. So we are not adding any value, just blank values. So when the app is started, it will create this empty record or empty row in the collection. Now we will insert a gallery. Of course, to implement a repeating section, we will need gallery. So we will insert gallery, vertical gallery. Okay, so we'll make it a little bit bigger. Okay, and to the data source for this, we'll assign collection users. So we don't need this, and any error here, we will make the x as 0. Okay, anything else here, let's make this also as 0. Okay, so this is our gallery. This is the template of the gallery, or just one single section of the gallery. So we'll insert the text input for the ID, then for the text input for the first name, and then then the text will make text input for the last name, and then this button. Okay, so collection. Okay, we'll assign this values. Subtitle 1. Do we need this? We only need the 3 text. So we will delete. We don't need this subtitle. Delete. Title. We don't need title. It's a delete. We need only text input 1, text input 2, text input 3, the separator, which is this line, the next arrow. At the moment, we don't need the next arrow, so we will just remove it. So we make this little bit smaller. We move these 3 little bit up. Okay, that's it. We will quickly run this. Why it's not showing? So we will save this file, app, repeating section, step 1, save. We click on apps. We will see our app repeating section here, step 1. We run it. Now we see our application here. So the small issue with which you must make a note of this is the app on start does not work that stable in the preview mode. So what we ran from here is the actual application that is running, and this, when we run from here, this is a preview mode. Okay, so it doesn't work. So the app on start code did not run properly. Okay, so let's align them a little better. There was some issue here. Okay, now it's aligned. This, I believe, is okay. So we will remove this text input. We don't want to see this. We will remove this as well, and we will remove this as well. So now, as I said, if we run from here, because the collection got loaded when we ran from here, so it was okay, no problem when we ran it from here for one time. Okay, so now what we have to do, we will have to put a plus button. Okay, we'll put a plus button. Let's move this little down. We will put a icon add. So when somebody clicks this, it will say collect, then COL users, comma, and then the values. So once again, we'll put ID blank, first name also blank, last name also blank. So now we run it. We hit a plus, it keeps adding. So this is called a repeating section. Okay, this is called repeating section. Now we will add one button here to clear the collection. On select clear collection users. Now if we run this, it will erase everything. Click plus 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 plus, erase, plus 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 plus, erase.